Hi, this is Paulo with AEvent support. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable Ontraport for your timeline and the on-registration options available once it is successfully integrated and enabled. Alright, once you're logged into AEvent, let's add Ontraport to your timeline. Let's open your timeline and click on the Integrations section. Look for Ontraport. Toggle the switch to enable Ontraport for your timeline. Once enabled, we can now access the integration settings by clicking on the gear icon. From here, you can see the on-registration options for Ontraport. You can select a campaign and/or a tag you want registrants added to upon registration. Click on Select a Campaign and choose your desired campaign from the list. The same with tag. Select your desired tag from the list. Once you're done, click on Update Settings at the bottom to save your changes. This is also where you can add Select, the custom fields you want for your personalization values for Ontraport. Once you add select these custom fields, AEvent will pass on these information to Ontraport. That would be all for this video. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please comment below, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel to get notified when we add more videos. Thanks again.